What's up, everyone? Today, I'm going to show you guys an epic cement transformation, turning it into a super chill and relaxing waterfall aquarium. No more waiting. Let's get started. This is our cozy little garden spot, the perfect place I'm going to magically transform into an aquatic paradise. First up, we'll draw the aquarium's shape, and then dig out all the soil inside to form its mold. Next, we're laying down the brickwork inside that mold. Once the foundation is set, I'll start building the aquarium walls and finishing up the remaining sections. Framework's done. It's time to give it some real shape. I'm applying cement plaster to both sides of the aquarium and sculpting them. It might look simple, but I had to tweak it a lot to get it just right. Then, I'll finish up this pretty intricate filter system. Once that's all done, I'll cement the entire filter system and smooth out the aquarium bottom. Now for the equally exciting part, making our own decorative tiles for the aquarium. Spread cement evenly over the sand. Then, use a trowel to create some freeform and spontaneous patterns. Once the tiles are dry, I'll carefully remove them from the molds and arrange them in the aquarium like a game of Lego. We'll use cement strips to secure these pattern tiles together. Then install the waterfall spout, and it's starting to look and feel chill. I chose a dreamy purple color for the entire decorative section. My basic aquarium is now complete. It's time for my absolute favorite step, giving this aquarium a magical makeover. I'll apply a coat of purple paint to all the decorative tiles. Next, I'm giving the entire outer surface of the aquarium a refreshing blue coat of paint. Adding a touch of soft brown paint to the decorative compartment. Seriously, seeing the aquarium after its transformation left me speechless. Now, I'll check the water pipes for the aquarium. I'll install the pipes, attach the pump to the aquarium, and activate the waterfall system. I'll pump water into the aquarium and let it soak for 7 days to cure the cement and eliminate any odor. After 7 days of soaking, I'll drain all the water from the aquarium. Next, I'll place the ceramic filter media into the filter system, then spread pebbles across the aquarium bottom. Decorate the surroundings to make the aquarium even more vibrant and pump fresh water into the aquarium. Our magnificent project is finally complete. Time to welcome our fish to their new home. I'm carefully introducing the KI fish into their new home. Go slow to let them acclimate and prevent shock. So, from a plain pile of cement, we've now got ourselves an awesome high-end aquarium, right? A refreshing splash of green for our cozy little garden spot. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button to get notifications for more awesome DIY ideas. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.